So this is graphing a sinusoidal function with a phase shift to it. A lot of this is real easy. The amplitude should be easy enough for you. The period should be easy enough. The amplitude is just 3. The period, if you remember, is just 2 pi over omega. In this case, omega is 2, and it's this 2 right here. So we have 2 pi over 2, which is just pi. Keep in mind that we said that the period is equal to pi, because we're going to come back when we look at this centerpiece for this phase shift. On a phase shift, what we're going to do is we're going to take the middle piece and we're going to set it against this and this. And then we're just going to solve for that x value right here. So solving for x. So when we solve for x, we're going to add pi to both sides. So we get pi here is less than or equal to 2x, and 2x is less than or equal to 2 pi. I'm going to go ahead and divide. Whoops, whoa. I should have added, good job, I should have added pi here, right? So pi here to make this 3 pi. Sorry. Divide everything by 2. I'm just working out all these equations at the same time. And we get x is greater than or equal to pi halves and less than or equal to 3 pi halves. So what that tells us is that exactly one period of this curve occurs between pi halves and 3 pi halves. So we're getting one interval, one of the intervals. So it's going to look like this. If we graph this thing out, it's going to look like this. I'm going to graph this sine curve. It's going to go like this. I'm just going to look at one period of it right here, one cycle here. So I am aware that the curve goes on and on and on. So it goes on like this and comes back down, etc. And it goes down like this and starts to head back up, etc. But I'm only looking at this portion right here. And what I'm trying to suggest to you is that what we got was this. That this sine curve has been shifted pi halves. So it starts at pi, one interval of it starts at pi halves and goes to 3 pi halves. What's interesting to me here is that the distance between pi halves and 3 pi halves is still that period of 1. So it works out just fine. We have a maximum value here of 3 because of the period, because of the amplitude, and a minimum value of -3. And we can do lots of stuff to find out these interim values, like this is the point pi 0, etc. All right, I just wanted to touch on this phase shift thing really quickly with you. Hope it was helpful.